Hello everyone, this is Poler Huang from SKMEI Watch Factory. This is 2100. This is, you can see the package. So this one, we have a lot of customers say that it's difficult to adjust the functions. You can see our usual menu is super longer. If you still worry don't know how to adjust the function, so you can check the this video as follow. Okay, this is usual menu. So let me teach you how to adjust 2100. Firstly, let's go to the key. This A key, B key, C key, D key. And firstly, let me show you the function. WT is world time. STW is stopwatch. TMR is countdown mode. ALM is allowed. Let's go to adjust the time. Firstly, you should be pressed when you adjust the time moves, you should be press A key. And the SET is flashing, and the country abbreviation in English is working, so you can press B key. Is DST is daylight saving time. Turn on and turn off is okay. It depends on your selection. And next is 12 hour, 24 hour, or 12 hour. I like 24 hour. And next is for the digital time displays. Press C keys, turn the seconds to 0. Press B keys, change to hour. Okay, change to hour. Long press D key, you can change. Okay. 0 is 24. Okay. And the next is to minute. Next to minute. Press 1. Okay. Yeah, okay. Next is for year. Okay, now is 2025. Next is month. May and 8. Yes, next is KEY is Keystroke, turn on and turn off. And LEGHT is like 3 seconds or 1 sec. 1 is 1.5 seconds. 3 is 3 seconds. Okay, next. Then turn out. The time is already. Let me show you. Press A key, turn out. Okay. Okay. You can check. You can check the digital time display is 24 2 minutes. So you will the two hand will a circle, working one circle. Just wait a second. Okay, finish. Then you can see the digital time and the two hand time is same. Okay. If you worry the digital time and the two hand is not same time, let me teach you. In the time move, you can long press A key for 5 seconds. Yeah. So you see the SUB is flashing, which means the adjustment moves of the weak hand. Yeah, this is for the weak hand. if the weak hand is no position pointing to the position SUB, you should be press C key to move it. Then you can press the B key. Yeah, press B key. You can see the hand is now is moving. Let me see how is adjust. When the 00 start flashing, you enter the hour and minutes hand adjust move. If the hour and minutes hand do not pull to the position 12, you should be press the C key or D key to adjust time there. Just wait. Okay, finish. So you can see the is 24, now it's 24 or the 12 and 12, and you should be press B key, turn out. Okay, you can see the time is same right now. It's 5 minutes, 5 minutes, and the time and the day. Today is Thursday. So the time and day and this time also is correct. So next is to the world time. WT world time. HKG is Hong Kong city, China. Okay. This is world time. Is if you want to change the world time, you should be press the A key, long press. Okay, long press. Long press. So you can change the time, change the country right now. And next, press B key. Let's go to the stopwatches. Let's go to the world time. Long press the A key for 2 seconds. Okay. Okay, this is for time. For the country, you should be according to the usual money change to your country. Okay. When the city is UTC and there is no DST, press the C key to switch to the city. Long press C key. Also is same. Okay, that's all. Okay, the stopwatch is very easy to adjust. Press C key, stop. Press C key, stop. Press C key, restart, then stop, and press A key, clean out. And next is for the spill time. Press C key, stop. Press A key for the SPL is spill time. Now this is for the first, and the press A key is for the second. Then is stop, spill, next. So you can keep counting every stopwatch mode. Okay. Then you can press C key, stop. So all the counter is down. So you can press A key, turn out. Okay, then it's clean. Then the next is for the two runner. You should be press C key, stop. And A key, spill time, flashing, SPL's flashing. So you can press C key, stop. This is for the spill displays, and A key SPL flash. So it's for the second runner. So and all is confirmed. You can press A key to turn out. So that is stopwatches. Next function is countdown mode. In the countdown mode, let me show you. Yeah, TMR is countdown mode. So now it's countdown mode function displays. Press C key. Press C key is start the countdown. Press C key stop. Press C key stop. Press C key restart. Press C key stop and press A key. Clean out. Okay, let me teach you how to adjust the countdown the time. Okay. Firstly, if we're wrong for the when you have this watch in your hand, you will have countdowns only for the 10 minutes. Press firstly you should be press the A key for 2 seconds. Yeah, A key. SET is flashing. And hour is flashing. You can press C key to adjust how long you need for the countdown. I don't need, so I press to 0. So press C key to the minute. Just only 1 or 2. So next to the second. Change to 0. Okay, change to 0. So you only need 2 minutes. So all the time, all the countdown you need, you can press A key to turn out. Okay, finish. So you only need 2 minutes to remind you. So you should be. So want to stop, you can press C keys. So now it's countdown. Okay. So that's all. C key stop, A key clean out. Still 2 minutes. Okay, that's all. So let's go to the alarm mode. The alarm mode is ALM display. Let me show you. ALM display. Now the alarm we have a 5 alarm. Let me show you. This LED. Press C key. Allow 3, 4, 5, 1. The first one, you should be long press the C key 2 seconds to test the alarm tone. Do you see that? This is alarm remind you, oh, your alarm is now. Okay. So no problem, the alarm tone is no problem. So you should be press the A key. Okay, press the A key. You should be check the hour is flashing. You can change, and so press B key to change the minute, and the next. Okay, it's only for the alarm hour and minutes. Okay, that's all. This is for the second alarm. So you need that. So turn out is press B key. Press B key. If you want to adjust allow 3, you also should be press A key. Okay. B key, enter the minute. Okay, that's all. And still same turn out. Press A key, turn out. Okay, so the alarm mode is done. And if you want to change the word time, it depends on your country whether have a UTC or the DST. If the country have UTC, so it's no DST. You can check our SKMEI Euro Money. Yeah, you can see here Euro Money. They have a lot of the country abbreviation in English. So you can see here UTC, UTC, UTC. Okay, and if you have other more question, you can contact with our salesman. Okay, bye bye.